Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We just did a collaboration with my friend Gail Burstyn, which was awesome, and I hope you guys watched that one, making a fantastical creature. And I still have some paint left, so I kind of want to do a dirty cup with this rest of the paint, and maybe some Shmears a la Gail Burstyn. So I have here a 12 by 12. Don't faint. I do actually do small ones. Sometimes I've taped the back and put my push pins in.
Regular ones.
For me, this is small. Okay, so my colors real quick. I have Green Goblin from Art Alchemy. I have Green Gold from Art Alchemy. I have Stormy Ocean from Art Alchemy. Then I have Arteza's Pearl Turquoise and 24 karat gold from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And I have some Iridescent Pearl from Goldens, but I don't know if I'm going to actually use that one or not. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, I want to do a dirty cup. So for a 12 by 12 size canvas, you need 5 ounces of paint, which is perfect because that's what's in this Dixie cup. So let's see. This is very thin. This is black, Artist Loft Flow Black. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit in the bottom, and then I'm just going to start layering these other colors. I'm going to start with some of the Green Goblin because I kind of love that. Then I want to put some turquoise in. Now I'm pouring it straight into the middle on top of the other layer. I'm not layering it carefully. A little bit of gold. Let's go with some of that Stormy Ocean now. And some of the green gold. Okay, what the heck, we'll put a little bit of pearl in. She got dressed and came to the party too. Okay, a little bit more Green Goblin. I'm actually going to put a shot of black in there too. And a little bit more gold. Some of that Stormy Ocean again. Some green gold. A little bit of turquoise. And one more shot of Green Goblin. Okay, so that's a very full 5 ounce Dixie cup. Let's see. I made a mess. All right, I'm going to put down some of this black. I'm just going to put it in a puddle in the center. Sort of tilt it around a little bit to spread it. Okay, now I'm actually going to pour a puddle of gold. And we're going to pour this cup into that. Okay, so we poured our puddle of gold in. Now I'm just going to take this and I'm going to do a straight pour in one spot into the center of the canvas. Well, maybe not one spot because Gail has other ideas. So that actually happened because the cup was too full. So if it happens, start over again. Come up high and then I'm going to come closer. And go up and then come closer. Okay, that's pretty neat. I'm going to turn it before it runs off the edge of my canvas. Okay, now I'm just going to go around the edge of this with the black. Excuse me, hand. Spread that out real quick. Okay, so right now we're just making sure our edges and corners are covered. We've put our flow extender on there. It's looking good. So it looks like there's a little bit too much paint. That seems to be my specialty. Okay, I'm going to torch this because I have a feeling there's going to be some beautiful cells. Tilt it actually. Before I tilt it, I just want to, I like what's happening here in the center. I'm not crazy about that bit. So, there we go. Lots of little cells coming up. Okay, let's tilt this out a little bit. Going side to side, you actually let these cells grow. I'm going to take a little bit of paint off of that side. See something in my paint. If you see something in your paint, get it out as soon as you see it. Okay, we're sort of doing Shmears. See how that goes. Take some off of this side. I think I'm going to take that center bit off that I just did. I love those layers. Okay, so now got this stretched out. There doesn't seem like there's too much paint to stay on the canvas like this. So now I want to actually do some Shmears like Gail does through some of these cells, like in through here. I'm just going to get the tip of the knife in there and slide it. It's pretty cool. Let's torch it one more time. That's pretty neat. I like that. I think we're going to just leave that just like that. So I will show you guys when it's dry. This one is really pretty. The metallics are shimmering like crazy. That green Goblin is pretty amazing. So check out the Art Alchemy paints. They're pretty cool. You can get some at ladyaprildesigns.com. And I think she has a coupon code for Mina 10 for 10% off for you guys. Anyways, this was pretty fun. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Okay, so here's our little dude. I really like this one. It's very sweet. It's very calming and relaxing with that Stormy Ocean and the green Goblin and the green gold colors. Very sparkly, very shimmery. I've actually been trying to mess with it for the last 5 minutes to get the most color visible to you guys. It is really pretty though. I'm not entirely sure what possessed me to do the Shmears in the middle there, because it was a few days after I poured it that I watched the video and I didn't remember that I had done that, and I was kind of like, what? But I don't know, it's kind of neat. It looks kind of cool. I didn't like that I smeared the center, the very center, after I got that bit out of the middle of it. That, I don't know. So then we tilted a lot of it off, but actually it was okay because there was too much paint on there, and now the paint, this is about the right amount of paint for this size. So, I don't know. I do love straight pours though. If you look at these details, you see that black base, and then you see underneath it the green goblin and the gold coming up with that Stormy Ocean. Really, really beautiful effects. I think I need to do another big straight pour. Just very cool stuff. I like the gold in this. It kind of looks like a mountaintop to me. A very serene place. I don't know. But this one was very cute. I really like this piece. I liked it when I poured it, when I was done with it, and I like it now. So thank you guys for hanging out with us. You can see the very, very slight, you know, when I tell you guys don't use two colors that are similar next to each other or close together, this is what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to differentiate that Stormy Ocean from the green goblin when it's dry. And introducing a little bit of the pearl in there and the green gold just sort of made everything very similar. I mean, it's a very pretty color looking at it, but if you're looking for both of those individual ones, it's harder to identify which one's which. So anyway, this one's cool. I think we're gonna call this one Mountain. And thanks for hanging out with us, guys. I will see you guys next time. Have a beautiful day.